Please welcome Bill Scheer to the stage.
I had a band in high school called the Synthetics. It was me and 3 girls.
I've been playing in bars since I was 16 years old. I have paid my dues.
Well, and it was the first white guy that I ever saw that sang like a black guy. Because that's what I wanted to do.
There it is, sitting in the booth by itself. It's 2:30 in the morning at the White Castle. I'm like, stop the bus!
We're gonna be back in like 15 minutes. Let's see if you can learn this song.
I really wanted to be Miss America.
I got this guitar when I was 16 years old.
Johnny says, do you sing? And
Do you know Home Sweet Home by Motley Crue? And I would sit and listen to 4 hours of Casey Kasem.
The Wolfman, he was on XERB in Los Angeles, baby.
From that day on, I changed. I understood what it meant to be an artist.
Pretending to be Van Halen on every guitar solo I played.
got a high heel shoes and an alligator hat. Wearing the pearls and the diamond ring. Got raisins on the finger now, devil with things. Devil with the blue dress on. She's a devil with the blue dress on. Oh, I said, devil with the blue dress on. Devil with the blue dress on. That's how it goes. Yeah.
So you got the gig right after that, right?
Well,